Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Photos app file system error, that is 21472199196. So if you are receiving this error message when you try to open any picture on your computer, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to run Windows Store Troubleshooter. For that, go to the Start menu, then click on Settings. Go to Update and Security and then click on Troubleshoot. Then click on Additional Troubleshooter. Scroll down and then click on Windows Store Apps and then click on Run the Troubleshooter. And once this is done, restart your computer and then try to open any image. The next step is to update Windows 10. So again, open Start menu, go to Start menu and open Windows Settings and then go to Windows Update and then click on Check for Update. And then you can go ahead and try to open any picture. The next step is to update Photos app. To update Photos app, open Microsoft Store on your computer and then click on Microsoft Store. On the top right here, you can see the three dots. Click on it, then click on Download and Updates, and then click on Get Updates. So if there is any pending update for Photos app, it will go ahead and update it, and then you can try to open Photo. The next step is to start Windows License Manager service. For this, go ahead and type in Services in Windows search box, and then click on Services. Scroll down and find Windows License Manager service. So just make a double click on Windows License Manager service. Make sure startup type is set to automatic and then click on Apply. Click on Start if highlighted and then click on OK and then try to open the image. The next step is to reset Photos app. For that, open Windows 10 settings and then go to Apps. Click on Apps and then find the Photos app from the list. So you can go ahead and type in Photos. Here you can see Microsoft Photos. Click on it. Then click on Advanced Options. Scroll down and here you can see the Reset option. So click on Reset. And once the reset is done, try to open the image. And that should go ahead and fix the error. Still you're facing the problem, you can go ahead and uninstall and reinstall the Photos app. To uninstall, make a right click on the Start menu and then click on Windows PowerShell Admin. Click on Yes to allow. Copy the first command. The command is provided in the video description. Copy this command, paste it on the PowerShell window and then hit the Enter key on the keyboard. This will uninstall the Photos app from your computer. So when you type in Photos and when you try to open Photos, it will not open up. Now to reinstall, you can use the second command. You can make a right command is provided in the video description. Paste the command in PowerShell window, hit the Enter key. It will start installing the Photos app. It will install it, and once it is installed, you can open the Photos app and you can try to open the picture. Now you can also reinstall the Photos app. In case that command is not working, you can open Microsoft Store and you can go ahead and type in Photos over here and you can install Microsoft Photos from Microsoft Store. The next step is to perform clean boot and disk cleanup. To perform clean boot, you can go ahead and type in Services in Windows search box, then click on type in System Configuration in Windows search box and then click on System Configuration. Go to the Services tab and then put a check on the box which says Hide All Microsoft Services. Put a check over here. Then click on Disable All. Then click on Apply, OK, and then restart your computer and that should go ahead and fix it. You can also perform disk cleanup. For that, you can go ahead and type in Disk Cleanup in the Windows search box. Click on Disk Cleanup. Click on OK for the C drive. And then click on Clean Up System Files. Click on OK. And then make sure you put a check on everything. You put a check on all the boxes over here. Then click on OK. And then click on Delete File. This will get rid of all the unnecessary files from your computer. And after that, you can try to open the image. The next step is to run SFC scan. So you can make a right click on the start menu, then click on Windows PowerShell admin, then click on yes to allow, and then copy the command. The command is provided in the video description. Copy this command, paste it on the PowerShell window, hit the enter key, and once this scan is 100% complete, run the second command on the same window. So once this is 100%, you can copy this command and then hit the enter key over here, and then let the scan complete. And once the scan is complete, you can restart your computer, and then you can go ahead and check it. Now the next step is to use media creation tool to update your Windows 10 to the latest version. So if nothing is working, you can use this step. Open this link and then click on download tool now. Once the download is complete, run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. Now agree to the terms, click on accept. By default, upgrade this PC now would be selected. So make sure this is selected, then click on next, and it will start downloading Windows 10 updates. It will go ahead and start downloading Windows 10 along with the latest update. And once the download is complete, before installation, you will see the screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep your personal files and app would be checked over here. Now once this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, and then you can go ahead and click on install, and once the installation is done, you can go ahead and log into your computer, and that should go ahead and get rid of the error. So one of the steps should definitely help you to get rid of file system error. So that will be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.